Shugor Nakaslem Jong Nongsan Hima.
MP ka All India Trinamool Congress Derek O'Brien hagini ki khendiat sngi balala ula yeng Rajya Sabha ban kherwit halor ki jingkno bamsap persha ya ka sarkar Meghalaya uniu MP ula kren halor ki jingkno bamsap kabayadai bat ka jingthet bat jing pendat ya ki smart meters ka jingkno bamsap halor ukhaw ka jingkno bamsap ha kabayadai bat ka jingthet kali ka tanat pulit Henry O'Brien ula ong ba ka kham jor kadai ka jingklem jong ka tunom pelun lani ka dom jong ka yeng dor bar thawan ba thmai hamau diang ula keliru Raja Sabha ba mano kita ki bala don kti ha kini ki kam bamsap bamngem ki bala pau ha kini ka jilla kani ka longru ka sin ka baningkong ba uno MP na kanogono ka sengthan perthai un yeng Raja Sabha ban kren halor ki kam bamsap bamngem ki bala pau ha kini ka jilla
Derek O'Brien.
Sir, three speakers have spoken.
20 minutes.
Three speakers today have spoken on the motion of thanks, the President's address. Two have been from the ruling party. They spoke for 92 minutes. The opposition interrupted them not once. Sir, these are big issues of corruption. But on the motion of thanks, we can also talk about the not so well-known issues. Because for all this, the BJP do write some good slogans, and you like those slogans, and it's used by the Prime Minister, na khaunga, na khane dunga. They need to ponder about the slogan, sir. Na khaunga, na khane dunga. I never thought the day I would come from the Trinamool Congress and start quoting BJP slogans. Let's take another scam, 3-4 scams. Today we've all been discussing the big one. Let's take some other scams, sir. Meghalaya. 1, smart meter scam. 2, rice scam. 3, police vehicle scam. And scam. BJP and the government. But one of the most interesting ones I found there was the assembly dome scam. By these standards, it's only small change. 200, 300 crores, sir. Chillar. Here, the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly in a BJP government unit state was constructed and the entire dome sadly crashed. But the most interesting thing about this scam, look at this partnership. Guess who built the Meghalaya dome? Uttar Pradesh Nirman Nigam Limited. This is true federalism in the worst possible sense. Who is responsible, sir? Who is responsible? So when we talk about scams and scams.
Rilum jungi mentala dei kapor ka jingkela kisur ngin pensawa lawan kapor ka jingkela Rilum jungi mentala dei kapor ka jingkela kisur ngin pensawa lawan kapor ka jingkela